First of all, thank you to God for making this celebration a successful one for us, for the couple. For giving us parents, my mom and dad, Mama Susie and Papa Bob, relatives, brothers, sisters, uncles, aunties, family, and friends who are here with us. We would like to thank our parents, Papa Bob, Mama Susie, Daddy, and Mommy, for the unconditional love and unending support you've shown Chummy and me. To our principal sponsors, Mama Vita, Papa Danny, Mami Ninette, Mami Baning, Auntie Liling, kasi ko may naadili, those who attended, Kuya Paul, of course, for the inspiration and guidance that you've given us. To our loved ones who can't be here, so those who are watching us through TFC, TFC ba? Namely, Auntie Mench, Uncle Pito, Kenny, Kevin, Kylo. We really miss you guys. Tita Ethel, Ate Kathleen, Kyle, Tito Jake, Tita Ellen, Francis, Mick, Tita Marichu, JC, Ate Mian and family, Ate Karen and family, Ate Nat. And in our hearts, your presence are warmly felt. To our brothers and sisters, Maricar, Bobsy, Jam Jam, Marjun, and King, thank you for all your efforts in making this event a successful one. To our secondary sponsors, bridesmaid, maid of honor, and part of the entourage, it wouldn't have been the same if you guys were not around. To our workmates and friends who are here, thank you. And thank you for everyone. Tito Alan for the setup sa band, Mami Ninette sa bus, and dagan pa kaayumig ang i-thank ng mga people, mga Papa Danny and mga Joy for the stay in the hotel. Thank you, Jukayo. It wouldn't be a success if wala mo din karon, if not for you guys. Pasilo ami sa rin na mo ma-mention, but sa among heart, we've always been thankful. About you, honey.
Thank you everyone for coming here. And thank you sa Newsam, St. Julius, Jesse Global Serena here, sa Grandcon, Waiters, Indoparts.
Hair and makeup. So I'd like to end this with dancing, please, everybody. Let's party. I do believe that we deserve a big applause for making this event very successful. And above all, a big applause for our Almighty God for making this night so blessed. To God be the glory and honor, and let's give our one more cheers for the couple. Let's do it now. Congratulations to you, Mr. and Mrs. Mommy and Princess May Matareta. Cheers to our newly wedded couple.
Make you smile whenever you're sad, carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches,